What's up guys, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today I'm going to show you the main differences between the Echo Spot and the Echo Show 5. Now before I got the Echo Show 5, there were a lot of questions I had, like what was going to be different, what was the same, is it worth even getting the Echo Show 5? And after having it for a couple weeks now, I definitely say that I like the Echo Show 5 better than I do the Spot. So for one, it's cheaper. I paid probably $120 for the Echo Spot, and then the Echo Show on Prime Day was about $50. So right there, huge savings. I don't know. I mean, even still not on Prime Day, it's like $90. So it's still cheaper than it was for the Echo Spot. The second obvious one is the size. So the Echo Spot had a round screen, whereas the Echo Show 5 has a nice rectangular screen, much bigger, much easier to see, especially from a distance. So I had I had the Echo Show on my nightstand, and from the bathroom I can clearly see what time it is, whereas in the Echo Spot it was a little harder to see because the screen is definitely a lot smaller. Especially, I mean, look at the pictures. I have the same picture on both the screens, and you can clearly see that this picture is much bigger than this one. So that's that. The Echo Show has a physical camera blocking button. So if you don't want anybody to see you, you just kind of push it over and you'll see the camera is shut. So nobody can see you. You can still talk. So you don't have to worry about that. That's awesome. Whereas the Echo Spot, in the software, you could go and turn the camera off. But in the back of your mind, you're always wondering, can anybody still see me, because the camera's clearly not blocked. So that's another nice feature. The next feature that I like is the sound. The sound sounds so much better and deeper on the Echo Show than it did the Echo Spot. So here I'll just give you a little taste of what the sounds like. I'll turn the Echo Show 5 off, and I'll keep the Echo Spot. Alexa, what's the weather like today?
Currently, in Colorado Springs, it's 79 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Tonight, you can expect just a few clouds in the sky with a low of 57 degrees.
Alexa, what's the weather like?
Currently, in Colorado Springs, it's 79 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Tonight, you can expect just a few clouds in the sky with a low of 57 degrees.
I don't know if you could have heard the difference or not, but the Echo Show 5 sound is so much deeper and louder, and it just sounds so much better than the Echo Spot ever did. Now, unfortunately, if you were trying to get away from these annoying little suggestions that Alexa likes to put on her screen, sadly, nothing has changed between the Echo Show 5 and the Echo Spot. They still continuously show these things to try, and they make the clock small, and I cannot stand. I wish there was an option to turn it off, and I've gone through both of these. They pretty much have the same options throughout. There's only like a few different, very minimal differences. So if you're trying to get away from things software-wise that were on the Echo Spot, sadly, you're going to have those same annoyances on the Echo Show, and those things to try are one of them. So can't get away from that. No new sounds for notifications, for alarms. They're exactly the same, which is kind of unfortunate. I wish that Amazon would allow you to put in some custom sounds, because the ones that come for the alarms are just god-awful. So that's another thing to know. So I'll show you the main differences in the software. So when you pull down here, and you pull down in the Echo Show, you can see there's very minute differences here. There's a routine button. There's also a button to turn on and off your lights, your smart lights and such. Whereas on the Echo Show, if you want to see those, you swipe left, and here you have your routines, your smart home. You can also communications, watch videos, and there are your alarms, and there are some other things that Alexa wants to suggest, but it doesn't seem like you can change these, which is sad too. I kind of wish they'd make more customization. The other really nice thing about the Echo Show 5 is when you have the alarm going off, you can just tap the show on top of its screen and it will snooze. I can't tell you how many times, to snooze this one, you just kind of touch the screen, but when you want to dismiss it and totally turn it off, there's a little thing at the bottom here that you'd have to like slide up, and I can't tell you how many times I would go to slide it up and it would like snooze the alarm. It's just so annoying. So here, a little dismiss button shows up here. You can either tap it or you can swipe up, and it seems to work a lot better. So that was one thing that was annoying that I couldn't stand. But let's go into the settings here so I can show you. So you can see the Bluetooth, the network, your home and clock, display sound, do not disturb, communications, device options, restrict access, things to try, help, and accessibility. Everything is pretty much exactly the same. But like I said, you can go in here and you can turn off, not physically, but with a little gesture here, turn off the camera, and that is supposed to be turning the camera off. But like I said, how do you even know that it's actually turning it off, whereas the Echo Show has a physical button? And then here, the tap gesture, tap the top of the device to snooze your alarm. That's an awesome feature. I love that. But other than that, I mean, they are pretty much exactly the same. So, I mean, I can't understand why anybody would even want to buy the Echo Spot anymore unless you really had a space constraint. But Echo Show 5, definitely much better. I would definitely recommend getting the Echo Show 5 over the Spot if you didn't have one or the other, or if you want an upgrade. Definitely Echo Show 5 is going to be a nice upgrade over the Spot. So if you guys have any questions, please drop me a comment. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you might have in case you were on the fence between upgrading or purchasing one or the other. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.